Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, counting calories, hitting the gym, skipping dessert, and still not seeing the scale move? Yeah, been there. But today I came across something new, something getting a lot of buzz online. It's called Mitolyn. It's a natural weight loss supplement that claims to boost your metabolism, melt stubborn fat, and help you lose weight without starving yourself. But the real question is, does Mitolyn really work? Let's dive into it. Okay, so Mitolyn is a fat burner supplement available through ClickBank, and it's been popping up all over TikTok, YouTube, and Reddit. It's marketed as a powerful mitochondria booster, which basically means it helps your body burn energy more efficiently and target stored fat, especially in areas like your belly, thighs, and love handles. What I like about it is it's made with natural ingredients. Some of the key players include berberine, known to improve insulin sensitivity and kickstart fat metabolism, green tea extract. We all know this one. It's a classic fat-burning antioxidant, quercetin and curcumin, powerful for reducing inflammation and boosting energy. Basically, it's designed to work with your body, not against it. Now, I always check out real reviews before trying anything. And guess what? Mitolyn has some pretty solid testimonials. People are saying things like, "I finally lost the last 15 pounds I've been stuck with for years. My energy is up, cravings are down, and I'm seeing real results on the scale. This stuff actually works. I didn't even change much about my diet." Now, obviously, results can vary, but from what I've seen, people using it consistently are seeing real fat loss, especially when paired with a decent diet. Good question. Are there any side effects? So far, no major red flags. It's stimulant-free, no crazy jitters like some weight loss pills. But if you're on medications or have health issues, always talk to your doc first. You know the drill. All right, final verdict. If you've been struggling to lose weight, stuck in a plateau, or just tired of fad diets that don't last, Mitolyn might be worth trying. It's a natural, science-backed formula designed to boost your metabolism fast, burn fat effectively, and help you feel more energized. And honestly, with a 60-day money-back guarantee, there's really no risk in trying it. Ready to see if Mitolyn works for you? Click the link in the description below to check it out and grab your bottle today. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you're planning to. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and weight loss tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.